Are you really doing motorcycle stuff if you're not broke down fixing your chain on the side of the highway with a bunch of cars rushing past you? Oh, and of course now it's empty at the moment, but yeah, let's get this fixed. Luckily the chain wasn't blown, it just came off, so let's get her all tightened back up here and hopefully we'll be alright. Looks like I might have a little bit more of a problem. This is the part that tightens up on the back to tighten everything up. So let me see what I can do about getting that on there. Hopefully we'll be alright. Let's see. Put my chain on best I can. And I gotta ride through the dirt and get the fuck out of here. Let's see if I can get this delivery done. With any luck, we can get it done. Let's see. Out into a gas station luckily, but I got a bad oil leak going from somewhere. It doesn't look good. I can't see what it could be, but it doesn't make me happy.